Greetings, my dear friend. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant flood of thoughts that run through your mind, even in your sleep? We've all been there, longing to quiet the noise and find a way to channel that energy into something truly transformative. Well, prepare to be amazed, because I have some incredible news for you. In this thought-provoking video, we are about to unveil a manifestation technique that will turn your weakness into a catalyst for successful manifestation of anything you desire. Yes, you heard that right. We will explore how to harness the power of those relentless thoughts and transform them into an incredible trick that will accelerate your manifestation journey like never before. Imagine, my friend, a world where your thoughts are no longer an obstacle, but rather an extraordinary tool for manifestation. No longer will you feel powerless against the constant chatter of your mind. We will equip you with the knowledge and techniques to navigate the labyrinth of your thoughts and transform them into a focused, intentional force that manifests your desires at an astonishing speed. But here's the catch, my friend. You must stay tuned until the very end of this video. Every step, every insight, every technique we share is vital to unlocking the full potential of this marvelous trick. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss out on a single detail. Remember, my dear friends, your thoughts are not your enemy, but a powerful ally in the manifestation process. This trick will show you how to tap into their potential and unleash boundless possibilities. Get ready to witness the unfolding of a new chapter in your manifestation journey. Together, let's unlock the spectacular power hidden within your mind. Strap in and prepare to be amazed. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for transformative videos on manifestation. First, let's acknowledge the undeniable fact that our thoughts create our reality. Each and every thought carries a vibrational frequency, which acts as a magnetic force, attracting experiences and circumstances that align with that particular frequency. It's like a radio station broadcasting signals, and the universe responding in kind. Now that brings us to the astounding concept of self-talk. Have you ever noticed the constant chatter within your mind, the dialogue that plays on an endless loop? This internal narrative, whether positive or negative, has a profound impact on the outcomes we manifest in our lives. Negative or self-limiting self-talk, unfortunately, can be a significant hindrance to manifestation. When we continuously repeat phrases like "I can't do it," "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed," we unwittingly program our subconscious mind to believe these statements as truth. And guess what? The universe simply delivers what we believe. But fear not, my friends, for we are the masters of our own minds. By consciously shifting our self-talk and thoughts towards the positive and empowering, we unlock an extraordinary manifestation tool capable of igniting miraculous transformations in our lives. Focusing on what truly matters motivates us to take action towards our goals. Believing in ourselves increases our potential for success by reducing fears and doubts about our abilities. It is important to resist emotions like frustration, disappointment, or fear that hinder our creativity. We can combat these emotions by calming ourselves through breathing exercises or other methods, which enables us to think more objectively and make clear decisions in our self-talk process. Let me introduce you to the wonders of affirmations. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that align with your desires. By repeating these affirmations consistently, you reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing self-limiting beliefs with empowering ones. This primes your mind to attract experiences and opportunities that resonate with your newfound positive mindset. Imagine waking up every morning and affirming, "I am worthy of love, success, and abundance." Imagine throughout the day, reminding yourself, I am a powerful creator and I attract prosperity effortlessly. By actively engaging in positive self-talk, you shift your vibrational frequency, paving the way for the manifestation of incredible possibilities in your life. However, it's crucial to remember that the effectiveness of self-talk and thoughts as manifestation tools goes beyond mere repetition. It's about cultivating a deep sense of belief and emotional alignment with your desires. Visualization is a key practice that magnifies the power of your thoughts and self-talk in manifesting your desires. When you vividly imagine yourself living your desired reality, engaging all your senses and feeling the emotions associated with it, you send a clear signal to the universe, alerting it to bring forth the aligned circumstances and opportunities. Allowing our imagination to direct our intentions freely opens up possibilities, creating new paths in life. However, it is important to remain realistic and have faith in these ideas. Opening up our energy channels and accessing further support help in manifesting our dreams and bringing them to life. This requires staying true to our internal roots before being influenced by external scripts. Constructing aspirations with the expectation of future blessings is essential in unfolding the pathways that lead us back to where we belong. From the humble beginnings of our journey, we must always carry the eternal flame of passion, keeping our dreams alive. To enhance the impact of your visualization, it's essential to infuse gratitude into the process. By expressing heartfelt gratitude for the manifestations you have yet to see, you create an energetic bridge between your current reality and the future you desire. Gratitude amplifies positive emotions, further aligning your thoughts and self-talk with the frequency of abundance and manifestation. Life is a journey, a series of choices and opportunities. Exploring all options without judgment can help us shape the reality we desire. To do this, we must first understand how our thoughts influence our lives. Thoughts are powerful and have great potential to manifest what we wish for. Filling visualizations with feelings of gratitude helps prime us for success. Instead of being passive observers in our own lives, using our imagination actively can help us control which actions take place. Controlling internal thoughts is key to successfully taking charge of one's life and achieving goals and ambitions. Now, my friends, as we wrap up this eye-opening exploration, I want to emphasize the importance of consistency and mindfulness in utilizing self-talk and thoughts as powerful manifestation tools. Make it a daily practice to monitor your thoughts, rewrite negative self-talk into empowering affirmations, and visualize your desired reality with unwavering faith and gratitude. By embracing the immense potential of self-talk and thoughts as manifestation tools, you reclaim your power as a conscious creator. You shape your reality with intention, inviting the universe to collaborate with you on a cosmic dance of manifestation, where even the wildest dreams become tangible realities. Remember, my friends, you possess the extraordinary ability to mold your reality through your self-talk and thoughts. Choose wisely, speak powerfully, and believe unconditionally in the magic of your mind. Today, start affirming your worth, expressing gratitude for what is to come, and watch as the universe responds in magnificence. Thank you for joining me on this empowering journey. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's inspire each other as we unlock the vast potential of our minds and manifest a life of infinite possibilities. Until we meet again, my dear friends, practice the art of positive self-talk, harness the power of your thoughts, and become the ultimate architect of your reality. May God bless you in your successful manifestation journey ahead.